Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So as promised, I am back with my seasonal FabFitFun Summer 2026 Customize With Me video. So I am excited to share with you guys all the items that I currently have customized my seasonal subscription box with. So you want to check out all my thoughts, and I have a lot of them, about all of the options offered for customization this season. Definitely keep watching. Thanks so much for coming back for this video. If you're returning, if you're new, thanks for checking this out. Please consider checking out my other videos and consider hitting that subscribe button as well. It totally helps me out. Okay, so I talk a lot about FabFitFun, and if you haven't checked out my last upload, that was my FabFitFun add-on selection for summer 2026. But I'm here right now to talk about the items that I currently have customized my seasonal box with. I'm always excited to share those with you guys, including my thoughts on some of the items that I decided to pass on. If you are new to FabFitFun, definitely consider checking out the subscription service. It allows you to purchase essentially full-size products of your favorite brands, from beauty, lifestyle, fitness, and get it shipped directly to your home at a really heavily discounted price. And it's my only seasonal subscription service that I currently am a part of. And this video is in no way sponsored by FabFitFun. None of these items are sent to me free of charge or anything. I pay for everything with my own money. So in that way, hopefully I can provide you guys with a little bit or a lot of an unbiased opinion about these items. If you are new to FabFitFun and want to check it out, definitely consider using my link in the description box, and you can save a little money from that as well. All right, so as usual, I'm just gonna quickly run through the items they offer in each customization section. And as you guys know, if you're annual members, your window to shop is currently open. It will close soon. I will leave all the dates as usual in the description box. If you are not an annual member, your dates are also coming up real soon, so I will list those as well below for your reference. Make sure to get all of your selections in prior to the end of your closing window so that you can make sure to secure the items you really want. So I'm going to go ahead and share with you guys currently what's offered and what I think about them. I'm going to move over here and share with you guys a little picture here about the items that I start talking about. All right, let's jump into customization one. As usual, this is kind of the blockbuster grouping of products, the ones of highest retail value that I'm honestly most excited about usually. So let me go dive into what they're offering, and to me, there are some good selections here. So first I have here, at the time of filming this video, I should say on a tangent again, that this is a little disclaimer. These items are currently what's available at the time that I'm just making my selections. So already, honestly, some things sold out, but keep refreshing the website or the app because things often become available because people, especially toward the end of the sale window, start putting things back. But at least right now, the first option is the Luxe Choice. It's a Tab Beauty LED Scalp Therapy Headband. So Luxe Choices are options that you can select with a little bit of a higher upcharge if you're interested. I've done those sometimes with their fragrances, but I haven't done it with any of these types of items. LED light therapy is all the rage, obviously. I don't know much about this product, but I'm going to pass for now. There's a Murad Retinol Face Serum. There's a Foreo Sonic Toothbrush, which probably a month ago I probably would have picked up because I just got a new electronic toothbrush. I really was tempted to buy this wicker tray, but I think I'm going to pass. One of the things which I selected, as you can see here, is from Bobble Bar. It's their large canvas tote with palm tree charm. So I think this is really adorable, and I've seen the maybe even viral Bobble Bar totes where you can customize them with patches. Similar, just reminds me obviously of Stony Clover Lave, and if you watch this channel, you know I love Stony Clover as well. But this is so adorable, especially for summer. I don't need any more tote bags, but I'm probably going to get this because I really want to check this out. So cute. I love the little palm tree. I don't know if it totally matches the blue trim, but go figure. I think it's adorable. I'm probably going to pick that up. They offer this really cute ceramic pitcher, which would be great for entertaining in the summer. There's an Osea Repair Eye Cream. I love this line. I use their body creams, but I haven't tried this eye cream. A really nice candle, which is always a good staple. There's a wine chiller. There is the Dr. Dennis Gross skincare product here. They offer currently the mystery choice, which is always intriguing, and I always ask you to comment below if you select that and tell us what you get. If you don't like anything in these options, you're able to select a credit, which is always nice these days. So you get $15 if you just don't want to pick anything in this option. But what I got are these Tiki's slippers. They're the Lily Liners, just a very simple classic, as you can see, streamlined, thin strap, flip-flop. I currently own this. I own this in the more like medium brown tone, and I love it because it's super lightweight. It's perfect for travel. It doesn't provide much arch support, to be honest. It's really a thin flip-flop. But I just love the look because I think it's pretty versatile. It's different than just typical like rubber type of slippers or flip-flops, such that you're able to dress it up more. So I think this goes better with dresses if you want to wear dresses with flip-flops. You can also wear it with jeans, shorts, really versatile. I just love the streamlined look. So I'm going to pick this up because I don't have it in black, in a size 7. That's my true to size. I will say that the sizing is a little bit on the small side. I almost thought I wanted to size up to size 8. At least my current pair, my heel does hit right at the edge. But I thought, if I size up, I'm just worried that these straps may be a little loose even. So I'm going true to size. I think that's probably where I want to be. But if you're at all a little bit bigger than the true to size marking, I would size up. All right, so that is it for choice 1, and solid, totally. I'm really mostly excited about the Tiki's, but they also did offer Stanley's. As you can tell, they've already been sold out when I'm currently selecting these products, but there's a beautiful, I think it was cherry blossom pink one, and then what I was drawn to was a black with the kind of holographic kind of looking trim. I have, like most of you, too many tumblers. I forced myself. I was very good not to pick one of those up, but that's a really great value if you are looking for another tumbler. All right, customization choice 2. Here's what we have. There's a Dr. Jart sunscreen, which is always a good choice if you don't know what to pick. You need to always use sunscreen every day, so that's a good option. I love this bracelet. It's so cute. This beaded bracelet and necklaces like this are really in style, I think. But I have a ton of these kind of jewelry items, so I'm going to force myself to put this back, but it's so beautiful. And stay tuned for my unboxing. I actually may not have much willpower and actually pick it up because I just love how that looks. There's a First Aid Beauty pillow pads. I love this line. I currently have selected this raffia clutch. So again, don't need any new bags, but I just thought this was perfect for summer, especially travel. It comes with a little strap as well, so you can wear it over your shoulder. I'm not sure about crossbody, but I'll have to test it out. Really great clutch, perfect to go to dinners. You guys know I go on a lot of cruises, for instance, so it's nice to take a little clutch to dinner. So I thought that was just adorable. Had to pick it up. There's a really cute lunch bag, which my daughter would love taking to lunch. I'm gonna have to ask her about that. There's some packing cubes right now. We have a ton of those, but we always pack with packing cubes and make things so much easier when you travel. Tempted by these eyeglasses. I also love eyeglasses, or sunglasses, I should say. They're really cute here. They're a little streamlined. I tend to like a little bit more larger, oversized style, so I think I'm gonna pass, but curious what you guys think about the Ultra brand. I haven't tried that before, so I'm curious about those. I've tried many Glow Recipe products. I don't think I've tried this toner, but I really love that brand as well. And the other item that I picked up is this bucket hat. So if you want to get an extra item in this customization window beyond your typical one that you get, you can do so for an extra $18. So I think I'm going to get this bucket hat. We'll see. I don't know if that's totally my style, but I don't own a single bucket hat. And I just thought this was kind of cute. It would match the clutch. Currently have it in my cart. There's a Murad product here for acne, another Dr. Jart serum. The mystery choice, a $13 credit is your option. And then they have different colorways of the Super Goop Protectant Daily SPF Sunscreen Tint. So I'm also tempted by this. I use the Super Goop Unseen Sunscreen under my makeup every single day for sunscreen. So this may be another good option as well. So overall, really great choices for choice number 2. I really love those raffia products, as you can tell. Moving on to customization choice 3, the Luxe choice. There is this vibrator, which is interesting. It looks nice, but I'm gonna pass on that. There's this Day Desert Detox Clarifying Shampoo. So they've offered products from this line before. I think they have a great line, but I think I'm gonna pass on this. Another jewelry item, a really nice toggle necklace, but I cannot get any more necklaces at this point. I picked up actually 2 of the next item though as my selection. So you can pick more than one if you want to pay for the extra upcharge. And I got the One Size by Patrick Starr On Till Dawn Mattifying Sunscreen Setting Spray. So I currently have this. I used it today even without the sunscreen version. So just the On Till Dawn Mattifying Facial Setting Spray. I really like it. I'm only hesitating because it honestly feels like you're putting hairspray on your face, but it's so lightweight when you spray it on. I think the scent is fine. It's a little bit of an alcohol-y scent. That's why I mentioned it kind of reminds me of hairspray. So I hope it's safe for your face. I'm sure it is, but that's how it feels, but it's very lightweight on. I really like how it goes on though, because prior to this I was using, well, I've tried so many setting sprays, but I was using the typical Charlotte Tilbury one. I honestly don't love the scent of that one so much. And also when you put that on, even though it's not like an aerosolized version, it's just a regular spray, it just feels heavy. Like it feels really wet on my face until it dries down. But the Patrick Starr one is just so light when it goes on. So I got 2 of these, especially if they added sunscreen onto it. I just love that. I think this is a great value. There is a speaker, which I'm gonna pass on. There's a mortar and pestle, a Williams-Sonoma cookbook, which is a nice option. That's a little different. A set of floral bowls. And then I also put in my cart one of the Kopari hair and body mists, the Ka'anapali Coast. I'm from Hawaii. I love Hawaii products that are scented to remind me of Hawaii. So I want to check this out. Don't need another body spray, but I'm really curious about that one. They also offer it in a peach version. There's, I think this is a primer by Patrick Starr as an option. And then a pool float. It looks really cute. There's a few shades in these Dibs highlight as well as a mystery choice and a $9 credit. So another solid grouping of options, but really that Patrick Starr mattifying spray is one of the highlights in the whole box, in my opinion. All right, moving on to customization at number 4. Here's what they have. There's a set of Pilates socks. So first, when I was going through this, I selected this because I thought it was just regular socks, but it's actually Pilates socks with the grippers. So if you do Pilates, really cute, but I don't do Pilates, so I put those back. I did put in my cart this day Miss Leave-In Conditioner. I love leave-in conditioners, so I wanted to try this version. There's a mascara. There's a really nice hand chain. I've seen these for a while now, and I think I have a couple of them, but really from many, many years ago, I wasn't really aware these were still in, but I guess maybe they are. But that's a really cute little touch to your jewelry wardrobe. And then there's a Dr. Jart sunscreen stick. Ooh, I didn't notice that it was a sunscreen stick. Those are super convenient to put in your purse, so I may go back and get one of those. Cheese knives, the Ilia Beauty shadow sticks in several colors. There's a microdermabrasion face exfoliator from Dr. Brandt. These digital offers are often interesting. They have a lot of products from Unhide. Obviously, their beautiful blankets are highlights from FabFitFun always. There's a mystery choice or an $8 credit. So I love that leave-in conditioner, but now I'm looking at that sunscreen stick. So we will see what I ultimately decide, but really good choices again. And then moving on to the next customization grouping, the luxe choice here is this really nice Voluspa Eau de Parfum. I don't know if I'm gonna love this Ombre Aura set, so I'm gonna pass on that, but really nice option. The Hava Mud Mask. There is a clarifying calming mist. Looks like an ingrown hair exfoliating scrub, which could be good during the summer months. There's a ceramic juicer. What I did pick up was the First Aid Beauty Anti-Chafe Stick with shea butter. So I've heard many good things about this product. I've always wanted to try it, but just haven't. So I think it's really good for areas that may be chafing. So especially when you're walking like your thighs and have like a dress on or something, it's really good to apply there. I think you can apply it anywhere, like probably to hopefully prevent blisters on your feet, things like that. So I'm gonna check this out for sure. I'm really curious about it. There's a nice ice cream scoop. There's some Bloom Super Gummies. So I often purchase the Bloom powder and drink that, but I haven't tried the gummies. There is a set of ice packs. So I have similar ones in the same shape for my kids' lunches. They're perfect because they're very thin and easy to place in their lunch bags. So that's a really good one if you're looking for that. There is a creatine electrolyte supplement, it looks like. a set of nail polish strips, and then ingrown hair patches, some Spongel pedicure sponges, another digital offer, it looks like for some type of a sleep subscription, and then a mystery choice and a $7 credit. So those are really solid options as well. All right, so moving on to customization choice number 6. They start off with this 7-day pill compact. I think that's really cute, especially to store things like supplements, which I think people are really into these days. I have another one that I got similarly from FabFitFun previously that's called Chill Pills, or titled Chill Pills on the outside, which is super cute. So I love these kind of things. I did pick up the Glow Recipe Watermelon Fine Mist. I just love in the warm summer months to kind of mist my face, so I am looking forward to trying this out. I also was considering this Molten Brown Bath and Shower Gel. I think in the last box they offered the hand wash as a choice, and I picked that up and I currently have it in my guest bathroom, and I really do love that product. There's a Kopari lip product here, which is very tempting in 2 different shades. The Bliss Dry Brush, which would be good, I think, for probably exfoliating. It's a body brush. There's a Dibs Dual here, as you can see here. There's another digital offer, mystery choice, $8 credit. And then they have several shades of these nipple covers. I purchased a set of these from Amazon recently. I haven't really used them, so I'm gonna pass on these, but that may be good, especially for dresses and things during the summer months. There's several different shades of the Nude Stick blushes, which are really pretty, and then another Kopari shade there. So I love all of these. The Nude Stick blushes are really drawing me in, but as you guys know, currently going on as well as a Sephora sale. So I'm gonna pick up some blushes from there, I think. But this is really cute here from Nude Stick as well. All right, so I think that does it. I submitted my choices. I probably am not gonna do any of those extra things they ask you then, like boosting your product, doing earlier shipping or anything like that. I will say I'm always tempted by early shipping because in the past I used to get this box, I mean literally once I got it within a week of my order. But nowadays, you know, with delays and shipping everywhere, I think it takes a little longer, to be honest. But I'm okay with it. None of these products are things that I need to have on an emergent basis anyway. But I'm always excited to see what's ahead for the season. So comment below as usual. Let me know what you think about my choices. If you think I should make any swaps or changes. As you guys know, I always listen to you guys and your opinions. I do also, I should quickly mention, have a couple items currently on subscription. There are a couple LMS products, which I will share with you guys once I get them in my FabFitFun box. And I'm also, if you watch my add-ons video, considering adding maybe at least another product to my subscription lineup. It gets a little dangerous because you start adding these things in, but you get extra savings as well when you subscribe. So I will also have those shipped with my box as well. Well, I hope you guys are staying safe and healthy and looking forward to getting your box just like I am. So stay tuned because once I actually ultimately get my box, I will, as usual, share everything with you guys up close and personal, first impressions and mod shots as well. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you again in my next one. Bye for now.